Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. In yesterday's video, when Bitcoin's price was at 108,500, I pointed out that I'm still bullish, with all my long exposure positions still open, even drawing in that line to the next targets at 111,000 and 113,000. Guess what? The price action went to the exact point where I drew the 111,000 reference, dipping into that level, getting softly rejected, bouncing off the 50 and 200 hourly EMAs around 109,500, and now aiming higher. Currently, Bitcoin is sitting at around 110,000, where the green momentum dot is printing on the hourly. The daily already flashed the green momentum on Monday, signaling another swing up. Confirmation comes when the MACD line crosses the signal line. Next targets are 111,000, 113,000, 115, and beyond. The 1-month liquidation heat map is glowing at 116,000, the hottest horizontal level in this time frame. In the last videos, we saw a mirroring behavior with the S&P 500, and that index has already recovered strongly, almost reaching its former all-time high levels. The recovery will be majestic, like the phoenix rising from the ashes. But before we get too euphoric, a word of caution. The 1-week liquidation heat map shows that bulls are longing this current level heavily. And in the past, every time we saw such aggressive long exposure, those traders were liquidated shortly after, often following sudden manipulated price drops. Evidence points toward market-making activity from Binance and Wintermute. The hottest liquidation zones now sit at 106.2 thousand and 104,000. If price dips there, it could be a coordinated liquidity hunt before the next real move higher. Stay cautious. Speaking of mystical beasts, remember Josh Mandell, a former trader from the hallowed halls of Salomon Brothers and Caxton Associates. In November 2024, he predicted that on March 14th, Bitcoin would reach 84,000, and it did on the exact day. Though this became a mystery. Many called him a time traveler. He joked about it, but never denied it. His next prediction missed, though, saying March 2025 would close above 100,000. But his biggest call is still coming. Mandell predicts $444,402.75 per Bitcoin on the 8th of November 2025. That prediction was made a year ago, and he keeps reaffirming it's still valid. Why such a precise number? Some X-users point to numerology, since March 14th is Pi Day, tied to 360 degrees, circles and cycles. Others think it's just a 369 Tesla reference from a trader who once had a memory from 30 years ago on Wall Street. If Bitcoin actually hits that level, it would push the total market cap past $8 trillion, making it the ultimate global settlement layer and store of value. Maybe it will also become reality because of Bitbonds, which I also explained in a video from the past. If you want to learn more about this story, famous finance YouTuber Andre Geek made a detailed video about it. I'll try to leave the link below. I'll continue updating you daily. Join the free Discord for real-time insights. Thanks for leaving a comment. It really helps the channel get more reach from the algorithm. Click the like button if you got value from this video, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to stay updated. And see you in the next one.